I bet you didn't know how advanced AI video generators have become. Today, we're diving into the top AI video generators of 2025. These tools are revolutionizing the way we create content, from social media videos to professional presentations. We're talking about AI that can generate realistic avatars, seamlessly integrate with other platforms, and even turn text into engaging video content. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, these AI video generators are changing the game. So, if you're ready to see the future of video creation, stick around because we're about to break down the top contenders in the AI video generation space. Let's get right into it. First up, we have DeepBrain AI. Now this one's special because it focuses on real-time video generation. Imagine creating a video with a lifelike avatar that reacts and responds to your words in real time. That's the power of DeepBrain AI. This means you can ditch the complex recording setups and expensive equipment. Just input your script, choose your avatar, and let DeepBrain AI do its magic. It's perfect for live streaming, webinars, and even virtual presentations. But it's not just about the avatars. DeepBrain AI also offers seamless integration with various platforms, making it easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. Whether you're using Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or another platform, DeepBrain AI has got you covered. And the best part? The quality of the avatars is incredible. We're talking lifelike movements, natural expressions, and even customizable appearances. You can choose from a diverse range of avatars or even create your own. This level of realism makes DeepBrain AI stand out from the crowd. It's not just about generating videos. It's about creating immersive experiences that captivate your audience. Think about the possibilities. You can create interactive training videos, personalized marketing messages, or even virtual customer service representatives. The potential here is limitless, and as AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more impressive features from DeepBrain AI in the future. This is definitely one to watch if you're serious about staying ahead of the curve in video creation. So, whether you're a content creator, educator, or business owner, DeepBrain AI offers a powerful solution for creating engaging and impactful video content in real time. Next up, we're diving into another AI video generator that's making waves in the industry. Stay tuned. Now let's talk about Synthesia. This AI video generator is all about breaking down language barriers and making video creation accessible to a global audience. Imagine this. You can create professional-looking videos with AI avatars that speak multiple languages. That's the power of Synthesia. With over 60 languages and a wide range of accents to choose from, Synthesia makes it easy to connect with your target audience, no matter where they are in the world. And the best part? You don't need to be a video editing expert to use it. Synthesia's intuitive interface makes it incredibly easy to create high-quality videos, even if you're a complete beginner. Just like DeepBrain AI, Synthesia offers a library of diverse avatars to choose from. You can customize their appearances, outfits, and even backgrounds to match your brand or message. But Synthesia takes it a step further with its advanced text-to-speech technology. The AI avatars don't just speak the words, they deliver them with natural intonation and expression, making your videos feel more engaging and authentic. This makes Synthesia a game-changer for businesses looking to expand their global reach. You can easily create marketing videos, training materials, and even product demos in multiple languages, all with the click of a button. And let's not forget about the time and cost savings. With Synthesia, you don't need to hire voice actors or translators, which can save you a ton of money and resources. Synthesia is a testament to how AI is making video creation more accessible and efficient. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to connect with a global audience and take their video content to the next level. Up next, we're looking at an AI video generator that's perfect for transforming your written content into engaging videos. You won't want to miss this. Chapter 3. Pictory turning text into video magic. Next up, we have Pictory, an AI video generator that's changing the game for marketers and content creators. Pictory's claim to fame: it can turn your text content, think blog posts, articles, even scripts like this one, into engaging videos. Imagine taking your latest blog post and transforming it into a visually appealing video that grabs attention and keeps viewers hooked. That's the power of Pictory. And the best part? You don't need any video editing experience. Pictory's AI does all the heavy lifting for you. Just paste your text into Pictory, and it will automatically analyze your content, select relevant visuals, and even add background music and transitions. You can then customize the video to your liking, adding your own branding, calls to action, and more. But it's not just about repurposing existing content. Pictory can also help you create original videos from scratch. Use their library of stock footage and templates or upload your own visuals. The AI will then help you bring your vision to life, creating a video that's both informative and visually appealing. This makes Pictory an incredibly versatile tool for content creators, marketers, and businesses of all sizes. You can use it to create everything from social media videos and explainer videos to product demos and webinar recaps. And with its intuitive interface and powerful AI, Pictory makes video creation faster and easier than ever before. If you're looking for a way to boost your content marketing game and engage your audience with captivating videos, Pictory is definitely worth checking out. Now, let's move on to another AI video generator that's perfect for personalizing your communication and enhancing customer engagement. Chapter 4. Rephrase.ai - Personalized Video Messages at Scale. Now let's talk about Rephrase.ai, an AI video generator that's changing the way businesses communicate with their customers. Rephrase.ai focuses on creating personalized video messages at scale. Imagine sending personalized video emails to hundreds or even thousands of customers, each tailored to their specific needs and interests. That's the power of Rephrase.ai. This level of personalization can make a huge difference in customer engagement and conversion rates. It's no longer about sending generic mass emails, it's about creating personalized experiences that resonate with each individual. And the best part, you don't need a Hollywood studio to make it happen. Rephrase.ai makes it incredibly easy to create these personalized video messages. Just upload your script, choose your avatar, and let the AI do its thing. You can even use their platform to track video performance and analytics. This makes Rephrase.ai a powerful tool for sales teams, marketers, and customer support representatives. Imagine sending personalized video messages to follow up with leads, onboard new customers, or even address customer concerns. The possibilities are endless, and as AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative features from Rephrase.ai in the future. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with personalized video communication. If you're looking for a way to personalize your customer interactions, boost engagement, and drive conversions, Rephrase.ai is definitely worth considering. Up next, we have one more AI video generator that's perfect for repurposing your existing content and giving it new life on social media. Chapter 5. Lumen 5. Breathe new life into your content with AI. Last but not least, we have Lumen 5, an AI video generator that's perfect for bloggers, marketers, and anyone looking to repurpose their written content for social media. Lumen 5 excels at transforming blog posts, articles, and other written content into captivating videos. We've all been there. You spend hours crafting the perfect blog post, only to see it get lost in the endless sea of online content. Lumen 5 solves that problem by helping you turn those written words into engaging videos that capture attention and drive traffic. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Just paste your blog post URL into Lumen 5, and it will automatically pull in your text and images, creating a basic video outline for you. You can then customize the video to your liking, adding your own branding, music, and calls to action. Lumen 5 also offers a library of templates, stock footage, and music tracks to choose from, making it easy to create professional-looking videos without any design experience. This makes Lumen 5 a game-changer for content repurposing. Instead of letting your blog posts gather dust, you can give them a new lease on life by transforming them into engaging videos that can be shared across your social media channels. And with its intuitive interface and powerful AI, Lumen 5 makes it easier than ever to create high-quality videos that get results. If you're looking for a way to breathe new life into your content, reach a wider audience, and boost your social media presence, Lumen 5 is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's video. We've covered 5 incredible AI video generators that are changing the way we create and consume video content. From real-time avatar generation and multi-language support to text-to-video conversion and personalized video messaging, these tools offer a glimpse into the future of video creation. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Let me know in the comments which AI video generator you're most excited to try. Until next time, peace.